Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, let's do a feel-good quickie. Stay tuned. So guys, as most of you might be aware, I have been doing what I'm calling feel-good crafting this week. And I might even keep doing it next week if I can keep coming up with feel-good crafting ideas. I think it's important because with everything that's going on around us, we need a distraction. And for me, crafting is my distraction. For some of you, I know it's also your distraction. Whatever it is that transports you from the stress and the anxiety of all that's going on around us, fall back on that. No matter what it is, fall back on that once or twice a day, just so that you can transport yourself and release some of that stressful energy that comes from everything that's being thrown at us constantly. We need to stay informed, but there is a lot being thrown at us. So take some time for yourself. Do whatever it is that makes you feel good for a few minutes a day. And today I am going to do something that I hope will cheer you up. Today, I'm going to play doctor. And here is how I'm going to play doctor. Do you guys see these? I have them in acetate, but it's a little prescription bag. And you see these pills in this bag. Isn't this just so stinking cute? I am going to grab a few in my hand so that you can see them without the glare. Aren't these delightful? Do these not make you smile? Of course they do. These are so stinking cute. And what a wonderful way to give a little pick-me-up gift to someone. And I am going to let you in on a little secret of our giant pills. When you take the top off, you know what it is? It's an ink pen. And it is an ink pen that actually writes. See? How fun is that? These are just so stinking cute. And these are the types of things that will really brighten any adult's day, because we all are kids at heart. And these little playful things are just so much fun for us to be able to play around with, or to come up with creative ways to gift these little pills. And each one has a very unique little face on them, and they're really, really super, super cute. And we are going to make our prescription bag right now. And this is going to be a very, very easy and very quick project. So to make our project, we need a piece of acetate that measures 6 by 12. And that means that you can get 2 of these prescription bags from 1 piece of acetate. So I have already scored this, but you score at 2, you score at 5, score at 7, and score at 10 on the 12-inch side. Then you turn it to the 6-inch side, and we are going to score this at 1.5. And like always, we simply need to fold and burnish all of our scores. Okay, so when our scores are folded and burnished, we're going to have corner pieces, and we simply need to remove 1 corner piece altogether. Doesn't matter which end you remove it from, you simply need to take out 1 corner piece. So I am going to go in with my finger blade and just remove this corner piece. Then on the bottom panels, those are our tabs, and we'll simply angle cut on both sides of the score mark. And hopefully you guys can see this, how I've got that little V. Hopefully you can see it right there. That little V right there. And that's what I'll be doing across the bottom of my baggie. And then once we have this, it's very simple. We're going to put this together. Now, what you can do is, normally when I make an acetate bag, I use my brads to close it. But one thing that I did notice is that my tape runner will also work for this. It's not a very heavy layer of tape that's going to be placed down. And so I'm not going to let that be a distraction for me. So I'm placing my tape, and I'll just put this down end to end. And now I'll use my bone folder to come in and get this stuck down. And see, you really can't see a whole lot of that tape. So I am going to do the same thing on the bottom. I am going to fold in my sides, just as I've done. And then I'll place some tape on the back piece here. So I'm going to move this one up out of the way. So I'm going to be placing my tape along the bottom of this piece. And now I can just take this and fold it up, put my finger on the inside, and get these pieces stuck. And then once I have that piece stuck, I'll just come back on the other side of my acetate and lay down some tape. And then I can fold that over, get that bottom nice and stuck. I'll stand this up, use my bone folder just to get it smoothed out. And then I'll just take it, and I'm pinching in my sides, guys, just like that. Okay, so then I'll just take my pills and drop them on the inside. And I'm only putting 4 in here because I think that's enough since they're ink pens. And now I need to put my topper on. So what I am going to use for my topper on this one is a Project Life card. And it is a 3x4 card. All I'm going to do is just fold it in half, just like this. And then I'll use my tape runner, and I'm going to add tape from the top to the bottom of this. And now I can take my bag, take my runner, and just place this wherever I want it. So then once I have my topper on, I'm going to have a little baggie that looks like this. Then I am going to take my ribbon and just wrap it around so that I can create a bow. And I had to go off camera to do my bow just a little bit because some of you may not know this, but I am a horrible bow person. So now all I need to do is I am simply going to put 2 stickers on here that say RX, just to kind of mimic that prescription look. And I'll place the X right here. And you can see just how cute and how fun these are. It doesn't take much to create simple little pick-me-ups. And these are perfect for friends, family, neighbors, anyone that might need something that's going to make them smile. And this little novelty treat most certainly will make them smile. So guys, I hope that you have liked this very simple, very easy feel-good craft. Y'all, have a great day. Please stay safe. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.